Hey, it's Jason Glover with Dad's That Cook. I'm all the way down here in Cabo San Lucas, and we found a close friend of ours that disappeared for a little while. Our friend Armando, who is the chef here at Querencia. He makes this dish that my wife and I absolutely craved. Every year we came down here for Thanksgiving, this was the dish that we had to have, and then all of a sudden we couldn't find Armando. So he's gonna make a dish for us called the Oaxacan. Armando, where are you originally from?
I'm from Mexico City, but I was living here in Cabo for 20 years already.
And you have kids?
I have one, Leonardo. He's 16 years old now.
16?
Remember that you met him
Yes.
running between the tables?
That's right. You've never been like professionally trained, right?
No, I started working at my father's restaurant, and my mom has a bakery at the same time. Most of my life is working in restaurants.
It's working and figuring it out. And,
exactly.
And all
I
that.
think that's the best way sometimes.
That's great. And so let me ask you, does your family like your food?
See.
They do, don't they?
They love it.
And now we're going to learn how to put this Oaxacan together.
The Oaxacan Tlayuda. So you can see
it's so like
there
just
is really thin, like a crepe. But it's made it by hand.
By hand.
By hand with this special corn that you only can find in Oaxaca. We have chile cascabel. It's a dried chile. I just take out the seeds and fry them in a little bit oil.
Do you think we can get these in the States?
I'm pretty sure if you cannot find chile cascabel, you can find chile ancho or chile pasilla in the Mexican markets.
That's true.
I'm pretty sure you can find.
Okay.
I like this because it's not spicy chile.
Okay.
It's not hot. The chile cascabel.
Yeah.
It's fried in olive oil. We're gonna add the orange juice, cumin.
The cumin.
Just a pinch of salt.
Give it a little punch. All right. Got that in the bowl.
So we have the flank steak here, one for you and one for your wife.
I hope I'm getting some of this. And we'll let that sit for like 5 minutes, right?
Yeah, let's leave it for 5 minutes. And in the meantime, we're gonna grill a little bit our Oaxacan Tlayuda just to get it a little bit crispy.
All right.
Normally in Oaxaca, the size is the double size.
It's bigger?
Normally.
Now, are these made out of flour tortilla?
No,
or
it's corn.
So it's gluten-free?
It's gluten-free.
Another reason why my wife loves it. Because it looks almost like a flour tortilla.
Because
of the color and the, yeah, exactly, you would think. Ooh, yeah, get the flames. Gonna get those flames and working it. Oh, yeah.
There you are.
That's gonna be a party in my mouth, I'm gonna tell you right now. Armando.
Wow.
I love you. Oh, just smell it. All right, spreading the beans.
Spread the beans.
Spread the beans.
I'm using
what's the cheese?
Mozzarella
cheese.
So this is so you can find it there because normally we use Oaxacan cheese, quesillo.
And some, is this cabbage here?
This is cabbage.
Uh-huh.
A little bit of cabbage.
Get that nice melted down. Armando making his magic. I'm telling you, this is the best.
You can see it's melted
Yeah,
now.
it's nice and melted down inside
so we're
there.
Start
oh yeah, look at that.
slices, really thin slices.
Yeah.
Try
Oops. Oh my God, the flavor. I remember this.
Now, spread it. So I'm
Wow.
gonna put just a little bit more.
Give it a little extra.
Extra.
Oh yeah. Look at that.
Put a little bit of color.
Some carrot. Is that carrot?
Yes, carrot. Shredded.
Here, right?
Through. We're gonna put a little bit of red onion, cilantro, yellow tomatoes.
It's got the tweezers out.
See, these are watercress. Few drops.
A few drops of your happiness.
Of your happiness.
The roasted salsa.
Roasted salsa.
That is gorgeous. Oh man. Do you think we should bring it out to the pool at least, you know?
Let's bring it.
Show Michelle what's going on. I'm sorry that you have to work here, Armando.
I know, every day.
Every day you have to come here.
Wow. There you go. The Oaxacan Tlayuda.
That is gorgeous.
I think my wife's in heaven right now. What do you think? I think Michelle's dying. Okay, so we got the Oaxacan already, made from our boy over here, Armando. Then he springs out a beer that he makes. It's like, hey, oh, I made that beer. Oh, hey, I made this pale ale. And oh, by the way, I also made this oatmeal stout. So not only is he like, you know, the kick-ass chef and makes the best meals in the world, he also makes beer. Look at that. Look at that. So good. That's going down my throat.
There you go.
Oh my God. Oh my God. That is so good. That is amazing. Thanks for hanging out with us on Dad's Dad Cook and checking it all out, checking out the Oaxacan.
The Oaxacan Tlayuda.
Okay, I'll let you say it again.
Oaxacan Tlayuda.
We'll get this recipe up on the site. We'll show you what's going on. You guys can make this at home. All right, well, we'll see you next time.
Thanks so much.